Today we discuss some banks credit control measures MCQs. First question is, which of the following is a quantitative credit control measure? A. Moral suasion. B. Credit rationing. C. Bank rate policy. D. Margin requirement. Answer is C. Bank rate policy. Bank rate is a quantitative tool used to influence the general level of credit in the economy. Second question, open market operations involve A. Lending money to the public. B. Selling government securities to the public. C. Buying and selling government securities by the central bank. D. Controlling the stock market. Open market operation is also a credit control weapon of RBI. So answer is buying and selling government securities by the central bank. It helps in controlling the liquidity in the market. By selling the securities, government can take the liquidity from the banks to it so that it can lend less. Question number 3. Which credit control measures affect the liquidity of commercial banks directly? A. Moral suasion. B. Is cash reserve ratio, that is also known as CRR. C. Margin requirement. And D. Rationing of credit. Answer is B. Cash reserve ratio. CRR is the percentage of total deposits that banks must keep with RBI, reducing their lending capacity. Question number 3. Selective credit controls are meant to A. Control inflation. B. Control credit for specific purposes. C. Increase employment. D. Increase GDP. Answer is B. Control credit for specific purposes. They target specific sectors like agriculture, housing, or speculative trading. Question number 5. SLR stands for statutory legal ratio. B. Standard liquidity ratio. C. Statutory liquidity ratio. D. Special lending ratio. Answer is C. Statutory liquidity ratio. It is the percentage of deposits that banks must keep in the form of liquid assets like gold, cash, or approved securities with them. Six, moral suasion. Moral suasion is a legal method. B. Quantitative tool. C. Persuasive method by the central bank. D. Fine imposed by banks. Answer is C. Persuasive method by central bank. RBI persuades banks to follow its policies through meetings and communications and pressurize them to follow the rules and instructions given by RBI. Question number 7. Which one is not a qualitative method of credit control? A. Credit rationing. B. Open market operation. C. Moral suasion. And D. Margin requirement. B is open market operation. Open market operation is a quantitative tool, not a qualitative tool. Question number 8. When the RBI increases the bank rate, the cost of borrowing for commercial banks, A remains the same, B decreases, C increases, D becomes zero. Answer is C increases. A higher bank rate discourages borrowing by making the loans costlier. Question number 9. Margin requirement is used to control gold. A. Gold imports. B. Exports of services. C. Speculative lending. D. Interest rate. Answer is C. Speculative lending. It sets the percentage of a loan to the value of security to discourage risky investments. Question number 10. Credit rationing is A. Limiting the amount of credit. B. Issuing more currency. C. Fixing interest rates. And D. Reducing government spending. Answer is A. Limiting the amount of credit. RBI can fix maximum limits for loans to prevent excessive lending. Question number 11. CRR and SLR is to promote foreign trade, B. Encourage investment in gold, C. Ensure liquidity and control inflation, D. Increase population. Answer is C. Ensure liquidity and control inflation. They restrict banks' ability to give loans when inflation is high. Question number 12. Selective credit controls are generally used for A. Controlling inflation broadly, B. Controlling specific types of credit, C. Enhancing foreign reserves, D. Reducing imports. Answer is B. Controlling specific types of credit. These measures are focused on controlling loans to stock market investors. Question number 13. Raising CRR by RBI leads to A. Increase in money supply, B. Decrease in banks' lending capacity, C. More loans to public, D. Higher stock market act. Answer is decrease banks' lending capacity. If banks' lending capacity is decreased, then banks will lend less and it will check inflation in the economy.